In this very nice property, 1206 Admin Street. That's a corner unit lot. Just the lot by itself worth over $1 million. And this one is a beautiful corner lot. And this is a Hollywood. Hollywood is a very booming city. There's a lot of new construction, a lot of new modern houses being built in. Let's take a look inside. They do have one car garage here. Is able to put it two, but they become the second bedroom here. Very nice landscape. Okay, it's a 4 bedrooms, 4 baths. Let's take a look here. They do have 2 bedrooms here. On the left, they have the master suite split for plane. All the windows are hurricane impact windows. They have 2 bathrooms here. They have one here. The guests can use this bathroom here. They do have this, like it's a tile floor. Look like a wood, but it's a tile. And they do have this open to the pool. Okay, people can use this area here. They did it very smart. They put this bathroom here for the pool, and they also to this bedroom here. The pool, you have 4 access. They do have like a fence around the house. They have this very nice layout here. The people that come to clean the house, they have all this piece of land here. The pool's over there. Over there they have like the side gate. They have another bedroom here. Here you have the gate. That's the garbage come through this way from this alley. Let's take a look here inside. You can come through this way to the pool, to the side way. You can come through this way. That's the master suite. And you can come from the living area, and you have this back door here. I come back here from the swimming pool. They have the air conditioner here. They have another area here. Here is the living area. I like this layout because they connect the pool with the TVs. We came here, the pool's that side here. That's the master suite. Okay, that's a very good size. Okay, they have a lot of closets here. They have 1, 2, 3 closets, and they have a very nice walk-in closet. We come through this door, 2 bedrooms, the living area, the pool, the kitchen. If you like separate kitchen, if you don't like, you can open this place here to do the kitchen open up like that. And they're redesigning the kitchen. Okay. What the appliances look like a brand new. The washer and dryer here. And the 1 car garage. I believe it was in the past 2 car garage, but they become 1 bedroom here, like the guest bedroom. And they have their own doors, their own bathroom. Sometimes if you want to rent this space, maybe you can rent. For sure, you can get like 1,000, 1,500 for somebody to rent. And to finalize here, I'll show you again the front of the house.